Hey, plant-based enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into why adopting a plant-based diet in 2024 is one of the best decisions you can make for your health and the planet. Let's get started. With the growing trend of plant-based diets, you might wonder what's fueling this shift. Well, it's all about the incredible benefits for both our bodies and the environment. A plant-based diet is rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, which all contribute to a healthier lifestyle. For those of you who are new to plant-based eating, it offers a plethora of advantages. Not only does it boost your health, but it also contributes to a more sustainable world. Let's break it down. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Plus, it's great for your skin and overall vitality. One common challenge many people face when switching to a plant-based diet is the myth that these meals are bland or not satisfying. We're here to dispel that myth and show you how delicious and fulfilling plant-based eating can be. Think of colorful salads, hearty vegetable stews, and delectable fruit smoothies. The possibilities are endless. Adopting a plant-based diet doesn't mean giving up your favorite flavors. It means discovering new, exciting tastes and nourishing your body with nutrient-dense foods that promote overall well-being. You'll find that plant-based meals can be just as flavorful, if not more so, than traditional meat-based dishes. The benefits of incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet are immense. You'll notice improved digestion, increased energy levels, and better overall health. Plus, you're doing your part for the planet by reducing your carbon footprint. Did you know that plant-based diets require significantly less water and land resources than meat-based diets? So, why wait? If you're interested in making the switch to a plant-based diet, be sure to visit the description below for more resources and tips. We've included links to some fantastic guides and books that can help you get started. Start your plant-based journey today and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and inspiration.